So over the last few years, we did a number of boat and RV storage projects with Forge, with Lux Locker, all over the western part of the US. But our most recent project that we did is when we brought Forge to Lake Havasu City, first of all to build a Lux Locker boat and RV storage project here. Here at the Havasu Riviera Marina, Forge helped us design and build almost 40,000 square feet of canopied structure on top of the docks. That square footage is home to over 60 large slips that will house 60 plus boats that are anywhere from 30 to 45 feet long. Our slips are 12 to 15 feet wide. And a lot of the slips on top of that have the ability for people to put lifts in. These canopies are super important to the marina. They provide an element to our users that provides full protection over their boats. The elements here in the desert in Lake Havasu are extreme. The sun, the wind, the rain. These structures help protect these boats. It gives people a place, aside from our normal slips that aren't covered, it gives them a place that are protected from the elements. They're safe, they're secure. They can put their boats on lifts within their slip to lift them up even further out of the water and under that canopy to protect them. The dock structures here at the Havasu Riviera Marina are unique. They had to be specially engineered as a floating structure because the bay is super deep. So your traditional pier and post method of constructing docks we couldn't utilize. So working with our dock engineer, we had to specially engineer these docks, first of all for the conditions in the water, and then secondly for the conditions of the canopy steel shade structures that were going to go on these docks. During that whole process, we worked very closely with Forge and their team to engineer the canopies and make sure that that engineering tied in with the structures that were being placed in the lake. And together that effort with our dock engineer and Forge's engineering team resulted in the incredible quality and craftsmanship. Forge stands out from the competition, in my opinion, because of their process. Their design-build process is excellent. From day one, when we start the conceptual process and the budgeting process, through in-house engineering that they provide, through the procurement of steel, all the way to the erection of steel, their process is like I've never seen before. Now that we've wrapped up this phase of the marina and our canopy storage, right now we're in design on a 60,000 square foot pre-engineered metal building with Forge that will include some racking to put boats and trailers on here at the marina. That'll be a large metal building that houses our concierge boat storage service, where we will store boats and trailers in that facility and use concierge services here at the marina to launch and retrieve those boats for folks and take care of their needs. On top of that, we're also working with them currently on a couple of boat and RV storage projects, both here in Lake Havasu at the Havasu Riviera Marina and the Riviera subdivision, to provide additional storage to this marina project, as well as some other boat and RV storage projects that we're currently working on with them. So a lot of things in the works, and looking forward to continuing to build projects and build the relationship